Hello everyone. In this video we discussing basics of Python. First we discussing about print function. The print function in Python is used to print a specified message on the screen. The print command in Python prints strings or objects which are converted to a string while printing on a screen. Let's explain more about print function by examples. To print the welcome to SunRobotics, use the Python print statement as follows. When I type print, welcome to SunRobotics, and run the program, we see output is welcome to SunRobotics. Now I want to blank lines. Actually, two types of codes you can type for blank line. 1. Print 8 asterisk \n. 8 is number of blank lines. Or 2. Print \n 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 \n. Let's see example. I typed print hello friends. Print 8 asterisk \n. Print welcome to SunRobotics. And output is hello friends and after 8 blank lines. Welcome to SunRobotics. I hope you understand print function. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.